Hi, I'm Hilary Ziegler, and I'm thrilled to show you these brand new nonfiction books. Germs are on everyone's mind these days, and See Inside Germs is an amazing resource for talking to your children about germs. So this book addresses what germs actually are and the different types of germs like bacteria and viruses and protozoa, how our body defends itself from germs, what germs are, how we can stop them, how our bodies fight against them. I just love the vibrant colors in this book and the amazing information that is presented in such a fun way. If you have sports lovers in your home, they are going to be thrilled to know that there are so many job opportunities for them. You could be a professional athlete, or a sports marketing executive, or a referee. The cool thing about this book is it breaks down what they do every single day. It shares the best and worst parts of the job. At the end of the book, it helps them decide what their perfect job would be based on their skills and abilities. I'm loving this Lift the Flap grammar and punctuation book. I cannot wait to use it with my kids while we homeschool. It breaks down all the different parts of speech and uses these fun flaps to really describe what these parts of speech are. So it's helping them understand tenses when you talk about verbs, and it also helps them to learn about sentences and when they should use capital letters or commas. And it's going to talk about clauses and conjunction. There are practical things for your children to figure out, like can you find all of the conjunctions in this paragraph? And it also has things like apostrophes and quotation marks and helping your child understand the difference between there, and there. Some adults might need this book. So this is really great. And at the end, you can make silly sentences by putting the parts of speech together. Want to understand economics? This book can help. In this book, there are fun illustrations, bite-sized chunks of information, just like all of our other Usborne books, and it really teaches your child all about supply and demand and resources and how we spend our money in a fun and exciting way. And there's a glossary in the back to help your child with any words that they might not understand. This new Lift the Flap biology book is beautiful. I love the illustrations inside as it teaches about a variety of topics within the biology realm. So this is the tree of life, and it breaks it all down into different categories. There's flaps for them to lift that explain cells and DNA and organisms. And of course, we're going to talk about plants. And there's so much great information hidden behind every single flap that help your children learn more and more about the animals and plants around them. At the back of the book, it gives some practical application for ways that we can help our planet and not hurt plants and animals any further. Peek Inside a Beehive is the newest book in our Peek Inside series. I love these books. They have beautiful illustrations and flaps to lift on every page as they teach younger children about bees and honey and pollination. There's so much great information hidden under these flaps as your children read all about bees and the impact that they make on our world. Getting Started with Science is one of our new Usborne STEM books. This is great for younger children. It addresses an array of science topics, really gives an overview of our world and some things that they may be just learning about the body, how plants grow, how to be healthy, different materials, and how they function as liquids and solids, weather, space, etc. And then at the back of the book, there is a glossary that will help your children understand those vocab words. The Amazing Discoveries of 100 Brilliant Scientists is an incredible resource that shares a variety of scientists and their inventions. It's going to give a little bit of information about the scientist's life and also what they discovered. I love that there's a timeline in the back so that you can put all of these events into chronological order and really understand when they happened. And I was also pleasantly surprised to see that there are lots of women featured in this book. I hope that you find some amazing books for your family.